Nate, in your state.
Okay, y'all. I just finished making some food. We're gonna find out if the Colombians like Nate's cooking. Here we go. We got mashed potatoes, rice and peas, and my attempt to jerk chicken. I say my attempt because Colombians don't like something very spicy. So flavoring is kind of like tuned down a bit. You know what I'm saying? Like it still tastes legit. To me it is. I don't know if it's even too spicy. We'll find out. Let me ask them. Hola. Oh, everything is good? Okay, cool.
How you doing? Come on in.
Good.
My name is Harold. Pleasure to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Harold. How you doing?
Hi.
I know you guys are hard at work, and just wanted to ask if you guys would like something to eat because I just cooked something, and me, I kind of like to. See, I just cooked something. You know, my family background, soy americano, pero mi familia son de Jamaica.
Yeah.
En cocine la comida de jamaiquino y quiero saber si ustedes quieren probar mi comida. ¿Sí?
Yeah.
All right, let me get it ready. Give me 1 second. All right. Okay. So here we go. We got 4 people. 1, 2. Something I do, y'all. I love cooking for people, man. Two, three. Okay. Don't judge me, y'all. Shoot, this thing is hot. Oh, shoot. First 2. I'll be back with more. Yeah, I'll be back with a little more. Alright, cool. Final 2.
Wow.
All right, so no problem. If you like potatoes, es papas, para mezclar en mantequilla. En Colombia les gusta arroz con coco, pero en mi país es similar también, pero arroz con coco es
Más salado.
saltier. No dulce es saltier.
Mind if I record you?
I'm recording too, man. Like I get really excited when I start cooking for others, you know what I'm saying? Because I like to see the smile on people's faces, like, you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
All right. So, and then just regular baked chicken, right? So in Jamaican culture, we call it jerk chicken. Colombianos no les gustan mucho picante.
Yeah.
Pero este es suave. I put that in mind because the last time I was here in Colombia, for me it was fine. I said, oh, this is great. And everybody else is picante. So just let me know. Be as honest as possible. If it's unbearable, let me know. Even though I toned it down like so much, just let me know. If you like it, Nate, it was the best. If it's not so, let me know so I know how to be better next time I start cooking.
Thank you.
All right, disfrutamos.
Wow.
All right. All right. Yeah, let's get it. Man, whenever you come through, it's waiting for you, all right? That's how it is, man. What's going on, man? Christian also said that he wanted to try some of the food that I make. And I said, yo, bro, I got you. So I'm just gonna mince up some onions. Here's some garlic. And I'm gonna put some butter up in it. Spinach is how I'm gonna make my bootleg callaloo. Is what it is. All right. I'm just gonna dump it all in there. Yeah, man. Yeah, we want some caramelization going on. You see, the garlic is turning kind of good. Onions are starting to caramelize a little bit. Yes, this is what we want. All right, I'm gonna add more butter, and then I'm gonna add this guy over there. I don't know why that's there, but yeah. We'll season with some salt. I like the salt. It's a lot of salt. Some pepper. I'm just gonna mix everything up. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my leftover shrimp that I use for my rice. I wanna scampi it up. You know what I'm saying? We got the tiger shrimp. Oh, we gonna make our garlic butter sauce. Hey. Garlic butter sauce. Okay, steamed spinach looks just about done. That's pretty good. I can just turn that on. That back. Just let me know it's still hot. We'll just leave that for a bit. Let's go! Ooh. Alright. This thing has already been cleaned. I'm just gonna put that in there. No more lemon sauce. Alright, so this is a little bit of what I cooked. So this is done practically. This is done. I'm just giving them a little bit because the shrimps is a little spicy and want to see what those at the security think about this. Okay. Okay. Este es un poquito de cocinar porque es más o menos picante. Sí, yo sé, no les gusta picante porque es por eso el plato es pequeño. Sí, camarones. How do you say spinach? Espinaca. Espinaca con ojo. Otra vez arroz con coco.
Con poco frijoles.
Sí. Frijoles con mezcla con camarones. That's real good. Sí.
The best.
Of course. Si ustedes quieren más, avísame. ¿Cómo es? Ser honesto, ¿cómo es? ¿Sí? ¿Pollo? ¿Un poquito de pollo? All right. Okay. Un momento. ¿Cómo vamos?
Muchas gracias.
No problema.
Sí, es para probar, si quieren.
Pequeño. Ay. ¡Picante! How's it get?
Thank you.
Con gusto. Sí.
Is your Instagram?
Nate in your state.
Nate.
Nate. Un momento. All right. Aquí. In yo. That's good.
Okay.
Sí.
Okay, I will follow you.
Sí, good. Hey, mi amigo. Con mucho gusto.
So guys, normally when I travel to places in Colombia that has a security staff, I like to take care of them. Whether I give them a tip, a cash tip, or show my appreciation for them looking out for me by getting them lunch, getting them dinner, or me cooking for them. I personally believe that they are more likely to remember you if you do something for them that impacts their life in a good way. Me being the person that I am, I generally like to cook for others. And I figured, hey, if I was to get into a sticky situation that might endanger my life, they're more likely to protect me in the event that something goes wrong. Get what I'm saying?
Huh? Yeah, man. Because it was a whole chicken too. Where I was staying, there was a whole chicken. I just cut it up and just started serving everybody that wanted some. Yeah, man. I like cooking, man. I like cooking. I heard about Colombia, bro. You like it, right? Yeah. Hey, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Good? I hear that, man. The rice. Sort of. It's not the real thing because it's not hot. No, it's not picante. It's suave. Like for the shrimp is picante and saludar, pero the chicken is suave. So it's sort of kind of like Jamaican food. The real one will like literally got some strong, robust flavor, but I tried.
Nate, in your state.